Creativity comes in all shapes and sizes, no matter the form. Visioneer Rabbit printers will be there, ready to take on any challenge. Your Visioneer Rabbit PC30 Printer Copier makes printing easy on any device. Supporting USB, local network, and Wi-Fi connectivity options. Print from your PC, laptop, tablet, or smartphone without missing a beat. The Rabbit PC30 prints up to 30 pages per minute with a 250-sheet input tray that keeps you productive. A sheet-fed manual tray handles special print jobs, while a convenience copier module handles all your quick copying needs. For educators and other hybrid work-from-home professionals, the Rabbit PC30 printer provides versatility and value. Visioneer Rabbit PC30 makes the sharing part easy so you can create and go.